Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Bajaj Finance. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bajaj Finance with a revised price target of Rs 9,940. We believe an improving outlook is likely to bode well for Bajaj Finance as headwinds recede in terms of margin and credit cost from second half of FY25. The management has guided for 26 to 28% AUM growth for FY25, led by diverse product offerings, customer acquisition, and the ability to cross-sell. The company's earning growth in Q1 was soft due to lower margins and rise in credit cost, which would continue for Q2. However, this trend would start to improve from second half of FY25 onwards, as it is witnessing improvement in bounce rate and we expect stability in margins led by lower interest rate regimes, taking assumption of first rate cut by RBI in December 2024. We are confident on strong sustainable earning growth and longevity of the franchise. Next, we have an update on Bajaj Finserv. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bajaj Finserv with a price target of Rs 2350. The company is well positioned to capture the structural growth story across the financial landscape, which is lending, investing and protecting in India over the medium to long term. Currently, the lending and insurance business is driving the valuation. Business outlook remains healthy for both the businesses. Newer businesses, Bajaj Finserv, AMC, Bajaj Securities, Bajaj Finserv Health are currently at nascent stage but provides a huge opportunity in the long term. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.